Today I'm going to give you a 7-minute scientific workout you can do anywhere. How you doing, folks? Howard Scorer here from UnGym Yourself. Click on the subscribe button below to get all the information you're ever going to need on working out without a gym, as well as practical fitness hacks that aren't crazy. So the 7-minute scientific workout originally showed up in the New York Times about 10 years ago, and millions of people started doing it. There's a reason why. It's super easy to do. You can do it anywhere, and you need zero equipment. And you don't even have time as an excuse, because you can get results even if you just do it for 7 minutes. Put this in your arsenal. It's by no means the only thing you should be doing, but it's a great backup plan. But for now, I'm just going to take you through this workout in real time. Game plan with this is super simple. It's a total of 12 exercises. Each exercise is exactly 30 seconds. That's how we come up with our 7 minutes. So we're just gonna get straight to it. First exercise is jumping jacks. Okay, now pace yourself, because even though this is only 7 minutes, we're gonna go through 12 exercises. The reason why we're doing so many exercises is this is called high intensity circuit training. Because we're doing a combination of aerobic and resistance training in a high-intensity, limited rest design, we can get the numerous health benefits of exercise in much less time than a traditional training program. Feet straight, body straight. Lift up so your entire body is as straight as can be. Chin tucked, spine in line with the head. And lift up. You're gonna hold this for 15 seconds. And then you're gonna turn around, flip on the other side. Same thing, legs straight, lift up on the elbow, 15 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, you just finished the scientific 7-minute workout. If you want more of a challenge, you can repeat it 2 or 3 times. Anyway, folks, hope you found today helpful. If you did, click on the subscribe link below for weekly updates. Go to my website, UnGym Yourself, to get my free UnGym Yourself ebook, which will show you how to design a kick-ass UnGym Yourself workout. Thanks, folks. Have a good day. Also, if you're interested in more one-on-one coaching with me, my UnGym Yourself program is completely online and designed for people who don't have access to a gym or are tired of going to a gym and want to devise a lifelong program for health and fitness. It doesn't just look at exercise, it looks at how you sleep, how you eat, how you move, and movements that actually bring you happiness and joy. Crazy idea, right? Thanks, folks. Have a good day.